markets are strong, both in GDP growth and that also has translated into Baltic real estate markets having a stable growth.
What makes it stronger?
Well,
what is the driving forces in the Baltic economy?
So I think it's definitely exports, diversified exports, but we've also had an up-and-coming startup market. Now we have more than 500 startups.
Yes,
only
the tech
in
sector
Estonia.
is really active there.
Yes, and the latest investment, for example, by Daimler to taxify 150 million euros. So that industry wasn't there 10 years ago, but this is now producing demand for office buildings.
Okay, so you're interested in buildings for these startups, or is it, I mean, you have big companies in your buildings, don't you have?
Yes, Baltic Horizon is a commercial real estate fund focusing on Baltic capital cities and core cash flow properties. And we do have a number of tenants, including startup companies, but still core cash flow is generated by tenants such as H&M, SEB, Global Services, Swedbank. So a lot of Swedish tenants are present in Baltics, and we are the landlord for them.
Okay, so H&M is one of your customers?
True, they are a tenant in one of our shopping centers in Tallinna Center.
So are they trying to get the rents down now when they have problems?
Well, it's a fixed contract, so I think we don't really... I think they're doing good, and as shown also by their latest report. So they are one of the key tenants in the building, and we're happy to have them.
Okay. 10 years ago, we had a financial crisis, and the Baltics were considered to be a very risky market. How would you say the risks, how is it now?
Well, I think we've come a long way since then, and the Baltic economies have revived themselves very strongly. I think we're on very strong pillars at the moment. And looking forward to the future growth, I think the growth has been very stable and hasn't. I don't see any major overheating signs, especially in real estate today.
So if you're worried about one thing concerning this Baltic Horizon, what is it?
I think all property owners that own retail properties are worried about or thinking about how online trading is affecting the shopping centers. So we have to be very innovative, and it's a very dynamic situation now to own a shopping center. For example, the same shopping center in Tallinn we own, it's basically a similar location like you have NK in Stockholm, very central. And what we're trying to do there is expand the property and make it more entertaining, make it more as a lifestyle center. Restaurants, basically cinemas, offices, a mixed-use building that really will people feel good at.
So you don't go into logistics and that kind of real estate?
We have not. We have focused only on retail and office buildings. And as I said, we really like office buildings now more than retail because of the demand that the Swedish tenants are giving us there when having their back offices. Also, Lithuania, Vilnius is very strong in that, housing many Swedish companies that have their back office shared service centers, and they are growing. So.
Unna dig lite lyx i vardagen.